severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, central Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Argyle, or 7 miles northeast of Darlington, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, New Glarus, Monticello, Argyle, Blanchardville, Summers, Wheaton, Dayton, Lamont, Jordan Center, Yellowstone Lake St. Park, and Woodford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.